I'm here to tell you how to get the most out of your new toxin-free pure titanium cookware collection, featuring our revolutionary no-coating non-stick pattern technology. This is the most durable and performance-driven cookware we've designed to date. Start by preheating an empty pan over medium heat for about 90 seconds. This step preps the non-stick technology. To activate the non-stick, coat the interior with a high smoke point oil, like avocado, grapeseed, or olive. Your food will self-release when it's ready to be flipped or plated. Don't force it if it's sticking, just give it a little more time or reduce the heat. Pure titanium is safe to use with our pure titanium utensils, so there's no worry about scratches. To clean the interior, you can use a bristle brush or steel wool. It's extremely durable and can handle it. But when cleaning the exterior, make sure to use a soft sponge. You can also run your pans in the dishwasher. They're completely dishwasher safe. Don't be alarmed if you see the cooking surface change color. Titanium can naturally change color when heated. Bronze, blue, or rainbow tints are normal, proving it's real titanium and don't affect performance or safety at all. To remove stubborn residue or oil stains, create a paste using baking soda and vinegar, or deglaze the interior with boiling water and baking soda. This is a true game changer for my kitchen, and I'm confident it will be for yours too. Happy cooking!